Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So friends, an exciting feature of Instagram called Vanish mode allows its users to send disappearing messages. With the use of this mode, people can make their sent text disappear from the chat window right after the recipient leaves the chat or disables the function. Though it is a fantastic feature, it is recommended to use Instagram's Vanish mode when messaging known individuals or friends because the recipient is permitted to take a screenshot of the text message before it disappears. So let's see what is Vanish mode. Vanish mode launched on Facebook Messenger in 2020, but it has been added to Instagram's messaging feature as well. The feature allows users to create and join temporary chat threads that are automatically erased when the chat ends. So let's see how to activate Vanish mode. Open your Instagram app and click on the chat icon. Select an existing message or create a new message thread. Then scroll to the bottom of your chat. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and release your finger to activate Vanish mode. Once it is activated, Instagram will go into dark mode and some shushing emojis will fall from the top of your screen to signal that you are in Vanish mode. And friends, if you wish to turn off Vanish mode, you will have to swipe up again in your chat. So easy, right? By this method, you can easily activate Vanish mode in your Instagram app. So that's it for today. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any doubt, comment down below. Also, if you want to see another interesting topic related to the Instagram, please check our playlist. I will come in another video. Till then, bye bye. Take care, stay happy and stay tuned.